Hey guys, my name is Damien Black. Today I'm going to show you how to generate thousands of free leads on TikTok by modeling success. If you don't know who I am, my name is Damien Black. I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2018 full time. The biggest problem for affiliates is traffic. Now today I'm going to show you a solution to your problem. My YouTube channel is all about affiliate marketing, and then I teach complete beginners how to make a full-time income online and quit their 9-to-5 daily job. So if you want more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and like this video to support this channel. In this video, I'm going to reveal how affiliates are making thousands of dollars per month leveraging TikTok and how you can model their success. Now, before I get started, if you want to start an online affiliate marketing business and speed up the process and finally quit your job and work from home, head over to the first link in my description. You will get a full step-by-step training course, your personal business advisor, and all the tools you need to start your own business today. All of that, guys, for just $1. So stop hesitating and start today. So guys, if you don't believe me, when you click the first link in the description, you'll get redirected to this page, 15-second free leads. And this $1 course is going to teach you how to drive thousands of laser targeted traffic to your offers. As you can see, there's testimonials on the page, a bunch of proof, and at the bottom of the page you see everything you get. So for just $1, you'll get 15-second free leads training course, the 15-day business builder challenge, Facebook ads templates, high-ticket email templates, high-ticket video scripts, high-ticket phone scripts, and a personal one-on-one business plan consultant. All of this for just $1, guys. So just make sure to hit the first link in the description if you're serious on starting an online business. So today I'm going to show you proof how affiliates are making thousands of dollars per month with a simple 2-page website and TikTok. So guys, this is Legendary Marketer. This is the affiliate back office, and when I go to scoreboard, this affiliate program has a scoreboard showing who made the most money in the last 7 days, last 30 days, and obviously today. So for a fact, I know that the top 3 guys here on the leaderboard are making over $40,000 per month. Up here, guys, okay? And these guys are all using traffic, TikTok. All of these guys on the leaderboard are using TikTok. So let me show you guys some proof that this really works, that TikTok really works. This is the Legendary Marketer Affiliates Facebook group, and in this group, David Sharp posts every single day. For example, ring the huge bell, congrats to Stacy La for high ticket blueprints and coaching sale. This means that this person, okay, this person is right here, Stacy La. She's second. She's 7x gold. That means she has made $70,000. Gold is $10,000, and she is 7 times gold. That means she made $70,000 with this affiliate program. And this post means that she made a high ticket sale. Now another post, congrats to Yamini Gaba on a high ticket blueprint sale. She is here on the leaderboard. She is silver. And there's a bunch of posts of complete beginners, small TikTokers making high ticket sales. As you can see here, 14 hours ago, Brett Slansky yesterday, Jason Foster yesterday, Victor Aparides yesterday, all high ticket blueprint sales, $1,000 commissions. So guys, let me show you how these guys are doing it and how you can model their success. Even guys, I'm doing it. Maybe I'm not on the leaderboard just yet, but I am modeling their success. I'm getting a bunch of views on my TikToks. I'm getting lots of clicks to my offer page, and I'm getting a bunch of commissions too. I am bronze at the moment. So yeah, let me show you guys how they are doing it. So for example, let's go to Brian Brewer. This is a well-known Legendary Marketer affiliate. He is 2x platinum. That means he has made $200,000. And if you go to TikTok, you search up Brian Brewer, he pops up. He has 120,000 followers, and he posts simple TikToks like these, all right? So every single day he posts 3 to 6 TikToks, and all of these TikToks are promoting Legendary Marketer. It's very, very simple. Now what you need to do, guys, is look at his videos. Okay, for example, let's go to this video. Where is it? For example, this one. Hey, want to get rich quick? Saving takes forever, so the fastest way to get rich is to make more money. The best way to make more money is to start a business. The quickest way to start a new business is online. The easiest online business to start is an affiliate marketing business. So the best and fastest, easiest way to get rich quick is to start an affiliate marketing business. Learn how by watching a free video. So it's simple, guys, 20-second, 15-second videos. So guys, this is not rocket science. Brian is just making simple 15-second videos with a hook, story, and call to action. So hook, story, offer. Hook is tired of the 9 to 5. Then he talks about the story, how you can start. And at the end of the video, he has a call to action, a offer saying, go to the link in my bio to learn more. So this is not rocket science. Let me show you somebody on the leaderboard. For example, Callie Vernon, she is gold. Now let's see what she is doing. She has 25,000 followers, and she's also on the Legendary Marketer leaderboard. So that means she probably made about $15,000 in the last 30 days. And again, she's making simple 15-second videos, hook, story, offer, the same formula everybody else is using. And what these affiliates are doing is they're modeling success. So it's not rocket science again. All you have to do is create a TikTok account, go to the competitors in your niche, and the way you can do it is you can go to the Legendary Marketer leaderboard, you can look at these guys, you can search them up on TikTok, and you can copy their videos that are getting a bunch of views. So for example, if I was supposed to copy a video from Callie Vernon, I would go to a video that has over 5,000, 6,000 views and copy this one. So I would make in mind, I would model this video. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Even I am doing it myself. Look at this, guys. Again, hook, story, offer. For example here, would an extra $3,000 per month change your life? This is the hook. This is the story. Most people are not going to get a 3K raise from the boss, and this is the offer. Okay, learn how to start an online business, learn how, link in bio. So hook, story, offer. This is a simple formula. And I'm getting a bunch of views as well, guys. 2,000 here, 2,600 here. One of my videos has 25,000 views right here. So it's not rocket science. Now let me give you one more example, guys. For example, this guy, he is 3x gold. That means he had made over $30,000. Again, 15,000 followers. So you don't need a big following to make, an extra $5,000 to $10,000 per month. You really don't. And this guy doesn't even get as much as views. He gets like 500, 1,000 views per video. And guys, if you want to copy my exact Legendary Marketer funnel, the funnel you can see on screen here, then make sure to click the link below this video that says copy my funnel. You will be redirected to this page. Watch this short video. And here, guys, I'm going to show you all the steps you need to do to copy my funnel. I'm going to give you my exact funnel, my script, my emails, everything you guys need. So there's literally nothing stopping you from starting your online business today. I'm giving you everything. I'm giving you the 15 seconds free leads course for $1. I'm giving you my funnel. And I'm showing you guys how people are generating traffic. So stop making excuses and start today. Again, make sure to hit the first link in the description. Start your online business today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video.